Hello class 704, I am Nick Teacher and today is Tuesday, March 10th, 2020. Today we're going to be doing Primary Project 1, page 32. So please pause the video and open your book to page 32. Okay, so if we look at page 32, it says, let's talk. What is a season? And then we have the other 4 points. So let's start with, what seasons are there? So there are 4 seasons. There's one where it's very cold, that is winter. There's one where it's very hot, that is summer. And then there's one where we are going from hot to cold, and all the leaves start to change colors, that is fall. And then there is one more where it starts to get a little bit warmer, and all the flowers start growing, and the sun starts to stay out longer. That is spring. So the season that we are in right now, we are coming up to, is spring. Okay? How's the weather in each season? Okay, so that's right there where it says, how's the weather in each season? Well, in winter, it is very cold. Very, very cold. In summer, it is very hot. And in the fall, it is a little cold, and the leaves change colors and fall from the sky, fall from the trees. And then in spring, it is starting to get warm. Not as hot as summer, but it's close. And it rains a lot, and the flowers start to grow. Okay, so now, what do you see in each season? Well, in winter, you will see a lot of snow, right? The snow falls from the sky, it's very cold. What else do you see? You see people in their jackets, in their boots. You can go skiing in winter. And then in the summer, everyone is wearing a t-shirt and shorts and sandals, and they go swimming, they go to the beach, they have a hat. In fall, all the leaves are falling. They are turning colors, they are brown. It is colder. Not as cold as winter, but it is getting cold. And then in spring, the flowers start to grow. The leaves are back to green and full, and it is getting warm and the sun is out more. Okay? And then, what do you wear in each season? Well, let's start with winter. When it is cold in winter, we wear a jacket and a hat and gloves and boots. But in the summer, when it is hot, we wear shorts and a t-shirt and sandals because it is hot. In the fall, we wear a jacket, but not as big a jacket as in winter. So we will wear a jacket, maybe a hat and a scarf, but we don't dress as warm as we do in winter. And then in the spring, we probably wear a sweater, maybe a light sweater or a very light jacket, because it is getting hot, but not as hot as summer. Okay? So now, let's do page 33. It says, words, pictures that come to mind when I think about seasons. Okay, seasons. So, let's erase this. So when we think of the word seasons, what words are we thinking of? Well, what about all 4 seasons, right? So let's write the 4 seasons. We have winter, we have summer, we have fall, and we have spring. Now, it is okay to write this, but let's write the seasons in the order that they happen. So, winter comes first, and then after winter, we have spring. And what about after spring? We have summer, and then at the end we have fall. Okay? So those are 4 words that we can write. What about how it is outside? We call that the weather. So what about the weather, right? Seasons. So if we want to know the weather, if it is going to be hot or cold or snow, can we still see that? Yes. Or rain. Okay. What else can we talk about seasons? When we think about seasons, what about the clothes that we wear, right? So write it on this side. So we have our jacket, we have hat, or we have shorts, we have sandals. Okay? What about the activities that we do? So sometimes we'll go swimming in the summer, or skiing in the winter, or we can go hiking. We can go hiking whenever, okay? So make sure you have these words down in this space right here, okay? About seasons. And if you have any other words that you want to add them, okay? Think of as many as you can about seasons. Okay, let's move on to page 34. So, let's just fold this up. Okay. So, page 34. Look at the pictures and say the words, okay? So we've got spring, butterfly, eggs, nest, tulip, seeds, and then summer, we have beach, picnic, bee, ants, baseball, sunny. And if we move on, fall, leaves, sunflowers, football, apples, pumpkin, and then winter, snowflake, skier, snowman, mittens, hockey. Okay? So, if you want, pause the video, say all of these words again, make sure you practice them because they are important. But we are going to move on to the next page, okay? The next page says, look at the pictures and say the words, okay? Weather, sunny, it's sunny. Partly cloudy, it's partly cloudy. Cloudy, it's cloudy. Perfect, beautiful, it's beautiful. Hot, it's hot. Cold, it's cold. Hailing, it's hailing. Rainy, it's raining. Snowy, it's snowing. Windy, it's windy. Clear, it's clear. Okay? Okay, so that's our lesson for today, but I am going to help you with your homework. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do your homework on page 36, okay? So on page 36, I'm going to show you how to do your homework, okay? So, for this one, IdeaWeb, draw or write about seasons. So we have the main idea of seasons right here. And now you have to do 4 pictures of seasons. So what I would do is, how many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons. So up here, I would write winter, spring, summer, fall. And then you can either write about that season in these circles, or you can draw a picture. Draw a picture about the seasons in these circles, okay? So for winter, write words about winter, or draw a picture showing winter. Do the same for spring, summer, and fall, okay? Now, for this one, the next page, it says, spring words. Draw a line from each picture to the matching word, okay? So I'll do the first one with you, egg. Well, let's look for the egg in here. There's the egg. So draw a line from the egg to the picture, to the word, okay? So the picture egg, and then draw it to the word so it matches. Do the same with all of these words, okay? There might not be a word for every picture, is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, okay? So there's going to be a line for every word. So egg, egg. What's that? That is a butterfly. There's butterfly, so draw a line there. Okay? So do the rest on your own. I'll move on. Okay. So for this page, summer words. Fill in the missing letters in summer words. Okay, we'll do the first one together. What does that look like? That looks like the sun. So we are going to put an S there for sun, okay? And you do the rest for all the other words, okay? Okay, and the next page. Okay, fall words. Left and right. Color the fall words on the left or right. So, if we look at this one, it says, color the leaf on the left yellow. So let's look at the leaf. Which one is on the left? This one is on the left. So, color this leaf yellow, okay? They're all going to be like that. So you have to pick the right side, the correct side to color, because it will tell you, okay? So that's what you do for 39. And then 40. Okay, page 40, what are we doing? We have winter words. Match the syllables and write each word. So let's do the first one. So the first one's already done. So snow, man. Snowman. Okay? If you look at number 2, win, we're talking about seasons. So what is the cold season? Winter. So let's go look for T-E-R. There it is. So winter. And then you write winter. Do that for all the numbers. Okay? So that is your homework. If you have any questions, call or email any teacher and we will help you. That is our lesson for today. I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye, guys.